Magic lamp bonus. $16 bet. Let's go. Damn, this is a huge machine. Oh, she's growing a lot. Oh my god. There we go. I gotta get them stacked all the way to the bottom. Oh, nice. Those are good numbers. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I got the miner, 500 bucks. Come on, I gotta get that rope. Yes, one more for that rope. Come on. Yes. Hell yes.
Nice. Keep it up.
Damn straight, it's nice.
Last 3 spins.
Oh, come on.
Final spin.
Get it. Yes. What? The fuck was that shit? Oh, that's some bullshit. But I'll take it. Wow, look at all those numbers I could have got. Here comes the Big Daddy.
Impressive.
Wow, I think her coochie just exploded. All right, $830.